It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. I've been to ASDA and I picked up a new salt beer that's launched into ASDA, and it's called Serge Citra IPA, 4.5% ABV. I have a little bit of history with this brewery. Salt Brewery was the original brewery. I believe Salt is their kind of craft arm. I believe the two breweries are still connected as of 2025, but they used to brew a beer called Cascade, Salt Cascade. It was either a pale ale or an IPA, but it was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. One of my favourite beers back in 15 years ago now, 2010. I still remember the beer because it was that good. So whenever I see a salt beer, I always kind of pick them up. I always try to pick them up. They had a fantastic start. When Salt first hit the supermarkets, they hit the supermarkets with a beer called Huckaback. And it was fantastic and it was cheap. I think it was about £2.50 a can. And it was brewed and it was made, it basically tasted like a premium £5 or £6 can of craft beer, but it cost you £2.50 when it first came out. And it sort of set a precedent. It sort of set a, a high standard, if you like. When you pick up a salt beer, you knew for a long time you had this kind of high standard of brewing. And right now, standing here with this beer at half-arm distance, it's got a great aroma. It really does. Really kind of grapefruity and orange peel, like Citra. Love Citra hop. One finger white head, hazy straw coloured beer. Looks like a lot of hazy IPA. I picked this up in ASDA. ASDA have this fantastic 4 for 3 deal. So you buy 3 cans of beer and you get your 4th can free. The beer's coming at £3.50 a can, but with that kind of 4th being free, that rounds it down to about £2.77. If my maths is correct, it's about £2.77 per can. So for a 4.5% ABV beer at £2.77, that was a mouthful. I suppose you still got to hope it's good, don't you? You still hope it's good for a 4.5% ABV beer. Let's get the aroma. The aroma is very good. Very good. Tangerine, orange, a little bit of a spicy dryness coming through. Tangerine. Touch of lemon. Yeah, it smells good, really good. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. Yeah, I waited because I wanted to get that balance, but yeah, Stone the Crows, another good beer in ASDA from Salt Beer Company. These used to be single hop beers. It seems like they've changed up their single hop series in ASDA. They're not calling it single hop anymore. They're just calling it Serge Citra IPA. So what you'll probably find is they did this whole series over the last 3 years. They released a lot of individual beers, single hop beers, with a single hop being either Centennial or Simcoe or Citra, Motueka, you know, that sort of thing. And they've probably gone through the records now and realised, okay, this was the best seller, the Citra. So let's now make it a permanent shelf filling as the beer, which is the way to do it. Which is the way to do it, really is. Because if you're like me and you're going to the supermarket, but you're really kind of wanting the good stuff, because let's be fair, there's some rubbish in the supermarket, isn't there? I've had some terrible supermarket beers, but then I've had some great ones. And this is kind of heading towards the great. It's Stone the Crow's beer. It's heading towards great beer. So rocking the beer back and forth, you can see the carbonation chasing the head of the glass. The beer looks good. We've emptied the whole can into the glass now. You can just see, I suppose not. I think I'm pulling at straws. I was about to say there's a little bit of sediment in the bottom of the glass, but no, there's not. There's not really. But it's a great beer. Right, so 4.54, the Bingley Road Saltaire in Yorkshire, Bradford area of Yorkshire. The ingredients are water, malted barley, oats, wheats and hops. Of course, the hop is Citra. Let's have a look. So Serge, okay, with its distinct and intense citrus character, it's one of America's biggest hitting hops. Brewed with bags of Citra, this unique hop provides our namesake with a super juicy tropical fruit aroma and flavour, providing powerful interwoven notes of mango, guava and lychee fruit. See, I always pick up something else. I always pick up kind of like orange peels and grapefruits. Perhaps my palate's battered, I don't know. Heavy dry hopping gives its characteristic haziness, full body and full-on bitterness to finish. Enjoy. saltbeerfactory.co.uk, or you can pick it up in ASDA. I've been to one of their bars. I think I was in Leeds in Yorkshire, and they had we went into a salt bar. I'm gonna rate it. It looks good. It smells good. It tastes great for a 4.5% ABV beer. Great mouthfeel, great drinkability. Yeah, I like it. For £2.77 a can with that 4 for 3 deal, I like that enough to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.